Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, the spotlight is on a crucial accessory for many office setups. The Xerox AC-DC adapter, specifically designed for a range of Xerox DocuMate scanners, including models like the 150, 152, 162, 250, 252, 262, and 262i. For anyone who has lost their original power supply or needs a reliable replacement, this adapter presents itself as a compelling option. This particular adapter is a brand new replacement, not an original Xerox part, but it is engineered to be fully compatible and perform just as effectively. It's designed to replace several specific part numbers, such as the Hitron HEG 422402007L, 3776000, and 7499100, ensuring a seamless swap for users. One of its most impressive features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V. This means it can be used worldwide, making it incredibly convenient for professionals who travel or operate in different regions without needing multiple adapters. The design itself is quite practical. It is described as lightweight and short, making it easy to pack away or simply keep tidy on a wall outlet without obstructing other plugs. Safety is clearly a priority with the Xerox adapter. It incorporates multiple protection mechanisms: over-voltage output protection, over-current output protection, and short-circuit output protection. These features are vital for safeguarding the connected scanner from potential electrical damage, providing peace of mind to the user. Furthermore, its high power exchange efficiency helps to control the working temperature, ensuring stable operation and preventing overheating, which contributes to the longevity of both the adapter and the scanner. The adapter boasts certifications like CCC, CE, and RoHS, indicating that it meets various international safety and environmental standards. Its black color and wall mount design are standard and functional. The overall package includes just the adapter charger, so users should ensure they are selecting the correct model for their specific scanner before ordering. In essence, the Xerox AC-DC adapter offers a robust, safe, and highly compatible power solution for Xerox DocuMate scanner owners. Its global compatibility, comprehensive safety features, and efficient performance make it a strong contender for anyone in need of a reliable replacement power supply. It's a practical choice that ensures scanners remain powered and operational with minimal fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.